Am I the asshole for telling my wife that leaving her used pad in my brother's place was inappropriate? My wife and I were invited to my brother's 31st birthday. He's single and lives alone in his apartment. So to give you the heads up, my wife and him don't get along really well. They can be civil enough to sit in the same room though. So anyways, we went and had dinner and talked and everything was going well. No arguments or anything until after my wife went to use the bathroom. Later, my brother went to use the bathroom and then came back looking pissed. He kept giving me and my wife looks, but I didn't know what was going on until he pulled me aside before we left and told me that my wife had left a used pad in his bathroom. I was shocked and didn't know what to say because this felt highly inappropriate. He said he didn't appreciate what my wife did and that it was a sign of disrespect towards him. This is so stupid. I apologized profoundly and said I didn't know about it. He asked me to speak to her or she wouldn't be welcome in his home anymore. Dude, these guys are so dramatic. We got in the car and I asked my wife about it. She nonchalantly said that there was nothing wrong with what she did and that my brother was being ridiculous. Yup. I kind of flipped and told her that it was really inappropriate for her to leave her used pad in his place, even if it was in the bathroom in the trash can, because it made him feel uncomfortable. She yelled and asked me what she was supposed to do, and I told her that she could have just took it with her and threw it outside and not in his bathroom. That's my brother's place, and he already told me how he felt about it. She yelled at me, calling my brother an incel and me an asshole for getting in her face about it. She said that she needed to use the bathroom and it's not like the pad was visible since she dumped it in the trash can. At home, we were still going on with our argument and she kept calling me and my brother names. She currently isn't speaking to me and avoiding me entirely. Regardless, I feel like it's his place and he gets to express what makes him feel uncomfortable in it. Bottom line is, it's his house and he didn't like seeing that in his trash can. She needs to get over it. Wow, this story is so ridiculous. Like, both of these men deserve to be single. Now, I will say that I hope that she covered it up at least because I wouldn't just leave a used pad open in the trash can. But it's a freaking pad. Of course she threw it in the trash can. Where else was she supposed to put it? In her pocket? Both of these brothers are the assholes. You guys let me know what you think in the comments.